Great evening folks, in Crypto Vault. Today we will talk about Ethereum. Assuming that you're searching for Ethereum cost expectations conjecture for 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025, 2030, and need to know where the costs of Ethereum (ETH) will go from here on out, which is very critical. We will especially investigate the previous costs of Ethereum (ETH) and will truly figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you want to sort of take this expectation and each by and large other forecast with the aim that this is just the idea of some market master experts, which is very critical. Not to sort of specify foreseeing something so amazing as totally inconceivable, which for the most part is very huge. In any case, we will for the most part make an honest effort, which truly is very critical. We should by and large beginning. On May 17, the cost of Ethereum was at $2.023.66 toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change added up to 3.20%, which is genuinely huge. 7 days prior, on May 11, ETH explicitly was esteemed at $2.343.13, and that actually intends that from that point forward, the cost for the most part has certainly changed by 0%. A month prior, on April 18, the market member laid out the cost of Ethereum at $2.994.28. Thusly, the coin has made a 33.78% move to arrive at its current standings in every practical sense, large way in a real sense. On May 17, ETH had a market capitalization of $244,475,811. Keep going week. On May 11, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to sort of was recorded at $282,879,246,655, versus the thought. A month prior, on April 18, the market worth of Ethereum was surveyed to be $360,572,338,077, in a sort of enormous manner. Over the especially beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with ETH arrived at the mark of $17,555,334,229 in an inconspicuous manner. Recently, on May 17, the normal weighted exchanging volume recorded toward the finish of the exchanging time frame sort of remained at $21,475,863,023. 7 days prior, on May 11, how much ETH that was traded between market members in every practical sense was assessed at $38,208,968,712 in a for the most part significant manner. Presently, now is the ideal time to explicitly uncover our short, mid, and long-haul forecast of the improvements on the ETH market that in every practical sense depend on the readings of our truly novel crypto volatility index that assists us with checking the market opinion and basically expect the heading where the market means to head. At this point, the cost of Ethereum is $1.982.76, while the coin presently ends up at second spot in the general positioning in an unobtrusive manner. The said positioning by and large is assessed based on the resource's genuinely present value that is duplicated by its ongoing business sector capitalization, an equation that is applied all through every monetary market. Our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions, so as indicated by the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Ethereum for the most part is $1,960.17, and ETH truly is at present generally positioned number in every way that really matters, whole crypto biological system, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. The flow supply of Ethereum most certainly is 120,831,623 with a market cap of $236,850,133,494. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been in a real sense diminished by 4.55% in its ongoing worth, which is very huge. Assuming we fundamentally look at the ongoing business sector cap of the ETH with yesterday's, you can generally see that the market cap really is additionally down in an especially significant manner. Ethereum is confronting a sort of tough time jumping aboard with really other crypto coins, as opposed to prevalent thinking. The ETH in a real sense is down to nearly 6.63% in the especially most recent 7 days. The coin explicitly is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for truly past kind of couple of days. The coin could by and large areas of strength for have however. We don't basically feel that it would a beneficial resource in beautiful present moment. Inside the by and large most recent 1 month, the cost of ETH generally diminished by 33.445%, killing an astounding truly normal amount of $985.03 from its ongoing worth amazingly. This abrupt down really implies that the coin is in plunge at the present time, implying that it very well may be a decent purchase, a potential open door for fast speculation. The 90 days cost change most certainly is near 49.25%, and the cost truly flowed from a very least by and large normal cost of $3,687.79 to greatest certainly normal cost of $3,882.64 in the beyond 90 days in an inconspicuous way. Ethereum is somewhere near 54.85% with the sort of most extreme pretty typical cost of the coin basically was around $4,694.35 and the base in every way that really matters, normal value of was around $4,517.53 in beyond 4 months in an unpretentious way. Ethereum price forecast May 2022, the normal cost of Ethereum, ETH, could go to $2,076.24 toward the finish of May. ETH could generally be exchanging around a very greatest worth of $2,135.56, with a sort of least expected cost of $1,878.51, which is very huge. Ethereum, ETH price prediction June 2022. As for June 2022, Ethereum cost is figured to arrive at a most reduced sort of conceivable degree of $2,018.90. The ETH cost could arrive at a sort of greatest truly conceivable degree of $2,239.38, with a truly normal conjecture cost of $2,117.77, or so they generally thought. Ethereum, ETH price forecast July 2022. For July the cost of Ethereum certainly is anticipated to arrive at an especially normal sort of month-to-month furthest reaches of $2,160.12, while the coin will exchange between a very limit of $2,324.09 and at least $2,081.03 in an inconspicuous manner. Ethereum price forecast August 2022, the especially normal cost of Ethereum, ETH, could truly go to $2,224.93 toward August's end. ETH could be exchanging around a most extreme worth of $2,432.09, with the base expected cost of $2,145.83, or so they certainly thought. Ethereum price prediction September 2022. The cost of Ethereum is anticipated to in a real sense reach at a kind of least worth of $2,212.58 in 2022 in a huge manner. The ETH cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $2,543.34, with a typical exchanging cost of $2,291.68 all through 2022. ETH price forecast October 2022. In October 2022, the cost of Ethereum is anticipated to explicitly be at around a genuinely least worth of $2,304.25 in an unobtrusive manner. The Ethereum value worth can truly arrive at a genuinely limit of $2,657.92, with a very normal exchanging worth of $2,383.34 in United States dollars, or so they thought. Ethereum, ETH price forecast November 2022. For November the cost of Ethereum in a real sense